Hello everyone, my name is Trisha Harms and I am a nurse practitioner at Carl T. Curtis and currently going back to school for my doctorate at Morningside University. This presentation is on the COVID-19 rehab program for Nursing 925, Continuous Performance and Quality Improvement for Dr. Rosebroom. This presentation will focus on the stakeholders of healthcare. Stakeholders are individuals that would benefit from anything that has to do with their health. For example, like patients, providers, insurance companies, which are the payees or payers, and as well as like your pharmacist, the whole healthcare environment itself. The issue at hand are the patients who have had COVID that are experiencing COVID symptoms such as weakness, difficulties completing ADLs, they're short-winded, some of the side effects from COVID that we are still studying. This issue is to study those issues and offer a post-COVID therapy program to help patients rebuild up their stamina and to provide therapy to help with their current side effects from COVID-19. It basically would be putting in a pulmonary rehab program together along with a cardiac rehab program and combining them together. The primary stakeholders for this program, for the COVID-19 rehab program, would be the Omaha tribal members, the individuals that have contracted COVID-19, the health center, and the tribal council. The secondary stakeholders would be the Health and Wellness Center, which are two separate buildings, the healthcare providers, which consists of one medical doctor and 5 nurse practitioners, the COVID team, which consists of two nurses and nurses' aides, physical therapists, when there currently is one physical therapist in the clinic that is for the COVID-19 patients, the public health department, and administration. The key stakeholders of this program are the tribal council, administration, the attorney general of the tribe, and of course the Omaha tribal members who have contracted COVID-19. The individuals with the highest interest and the highest influence on how well this program would go are going to be the healthcare providers and the healthcare team, the post-COVID-19 patients, administration, physical therapy. Those I foresee having the highest influence and highest interest because those are going to be the backbone of the program and really get it going. The tribal council does have high influence, whether or not they have a high, it could be between low and high interest on the program itself. The low influence, low interest would be more of the public health department because they would be kind of just barely helping on the background, but they would still need to be acknowledged. Strategies for engaging these stakeholders would be to getting the patients to be more involved in their care, helping them come to appointments, and possibly even putting out incentives for them to come and complete the 6-week program. Promoting and educating people about the program. That would come down to like the healthcare providers, the physical therapists, the COVID team, public health, basically getting that word out, and then ultimately everyone working as a team to get those COVID-19 patients that are having difficulty recuperating in to be assessed and evaluated for the rehabilitation program. In conclusion, this program could be an amazing program that is started for COVID-19 rehab. There are many benefits of it, and I believe it would be beneficial to start anywhere, and hopefully we will be one of the first ones to do this. Thank you.